Alright guys, this is the only place left that is safe from Kazuo Kasokura's army. So, do you all have any ideas how we can stop?
No. Damn it. At this rate we won't be able to stop them.
Don't say that, Levi. No matter what happens, we will win.
Up on hope. No matter what happens, Keys will notice anything that is happening to us. So, no matter what happens, and wait, guys, do you guys hear music or somebody singing? Siles, what was that? What just happened? Confident must be using the power of the anti-crystals and Phantom Ruby to illusionate the entire planet into a new crystallization. What? What do you mean? Do you know something about that? I analyzed the entire planet while we were up there. I managed to see what's going on in the meantime. On the other hand, there are crystals crystallizing all over the world, and it seems that multiple anti-crystals and anti-crystal titans are popping up defending them. In about a few hours or minutes, the anti-crystals might crystallize the— oh no! Even the core!
Who dares summon me down here? Oh, it's just you fools. You guys don't even stand a chance against this fusion elite. I think it's time for the killing spree.
You may be strong, but the six of us will take you on. Yeah.
Such insolence! You all should perish for the name of confidence. Since you all wanted to take confidence on, I think it's best to take you on your best shot. However, your attacks won't be able to affect my power. Now, get ready, mortals. You all will feel the oscillation of the anti-illusion. You illusionist life forms! Be a witness to the power of the fusion! Foolish fools and windshacks. Do you all think ganging up on me to defeat me is the only way? Even that sexy wolf tried to defeat. But unfortunately, her family name and power nearly defeated my wrath. No life form in the universe, no mere life form, and no resistance scum be able to stop this fusion. Now, it's time for the total destruction of the entire— wait a minute. What? That's impossible! Can't be!
What the bloody hell was that?
I don't know. But wait. Look. Oh my God. Look. Is that?
You have done enough. Now, let me end him. and let me end this for everyone and your futures. Now, confident, it's time to meet your doom! Praise Nightwind!
Holy fuck. Jeez. What's happening to him?
Turn into crystal fire mode, but a different kind. Kazuo can transform into a crystal fire mode. Infinite cannot. So when he included Infinite in the fusion with crystal fire mode, they must have created a corrupted crystal fire mode. This isn't good. I gotta end this quick. Everyone, you gotta do everything you can to beat this guy. If we don't, it will be the end for us all. This is it. Let's do this. It's the final battle between you and me, Confident.
Eyes in the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand.